Welcome to our history class. From last videos, we starting the lesson number 4, Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. The name of our lesson number 4, Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In last video, we completed some points: village, Pargana, Mauj, Kasba, the calamity of Hemini. In last video, completed these points, and let us now to start the work of sons. In Maharashtra, tradition of sons which began to Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Namdev was carried on by sons coming from various strata of the society. People from all strata of society were part of Sant tradition. For example, Sant Chokhamela, Sant Goroba, Sant Sena, Sant Savta, Sant Narhari, Sant Sheikh Mohammed, etc. Sant Chokoba's wife, Sant Soirabai and sister Sant Nirmalabai, संत मुक्ताबाई, संत जनाबाई, संत कानोपात्रा, संत बहिणाबाई शिरूरकर and other women also were among them. Here let us start our point. Sant Namdev. The name of our Sant Namdev. He was great sant of Warkari movement. He was skilled organizer. He was very great sant in our Maharashtra. He performed excellent kirtans as well. He awakened the sense of equality in men and women. He awakened the sense of equality, same to each other in men and women, belonging to all castes through the medium of kirtans. His plays was नाचू कीर्तनाचे रंगी ज्ञानदीप लावू जगी. संत नामदेव प्लीज नाचू कीर्तनाचे रंगी ज्ञानदीप लावू जगी. His Abhanga compositions are well known. Many sons as well as common people were influenced by his teaching. Common people also influenced by Sant Namdev's teaching. He went to the getting his thoughts. His compositions are included in the Guru Granth Sahib. His compositions are included in the Guru Granth Sahib of Sikhs. He propagated the message of Bhagavad religion in all quarters. He built memorial to Sant Chokhamela at Pandharpur. His work is unforgettable. These are the work from Sant Namdev. His work is unforgettable. Then our next sant is Sant Jnaneshwar. He was a great sant in the Warkari movement. As like Sant Namdev, Jnaneshwar also was a great sant in the Warkari movement. He wrote the Bhavartha Deepika or Jnaneshwari. Bhavartha Deepika or Jnaneshwari, Sant Jnaneshwar wrote, which elucidates the meaning of the Sanskrit Bhagavad Gita. He also composed the Amrutanubhav. He preached the importance of the path of devotion through his works and composition. He showed simple way of worship and conduct people would follow easily. He gave the prestige of religion to the Warkari movement. Though his life was spent in extremely adverse circumstances. His life was spent in extremely adverse circumstances. Adverse circumstances means many complicated conditions. He never lost the calm of his mind and never harbored bitterness. Calm of his mind means his silentness. He never lost his silentness of his mind and never harbored bitterness. His Pasaidan in Jnaneshwari uplifts the mind. The poetic composition of his brothers Sant Nivruttinath and Sant Sopandev and sister Muktabai are well known. You know, student, Sant Jnaneshwar was for brothers and sisters. Nivruttinath, Sant Sopandev and her sister name is Muktabai. Then our next sant is Sant Eknath. He was also a great sant in Bhakti movement in Maharashtra. Sant Eknath was a great sant of Bhakti movement in Maharashtra. His compositions are many and diverse. They include Abhanga, Gaulan, Bharud, etc. In the Sant Eknath included Abhanga, Gaulan and Bharud. He has started Bhagavad drama in detail and in simple manner. He has portrayed people's life in Bhavat Ramayana through the story of Ram. Sant Eknath portrayed the people's life in Bhavat Ramayana through the story of Ram. You know Ramayana. He explained them in Marathi. The Bhakti part of Sanskrit work Bhagavad. His Abhang shows the warmth of devotion. He demonstrated through his own conduct that there is no need to renounce worldly matters for attaining the highest truth. Paramarth. He was the teacher of the people in the true sense of term. He believed that our Marathi language was inferior to no other language. That Sant Eknath believed that our Marathi language was inferior to no other language. He asked the Sanskrit scholars forcefully, संस्कृत वाणी देवे केली तरी प्राकृत काय चोरापासूनी झाली. संस्कृत वाणी देवे केली तरी प्राकृत काय चोरापासूनी झाली. He heavily criticized those who hated other religion. Sant Eknath heavily criticized those who hated other religion. Here student complete our three Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Eknath.